Hey, look, it's dark out. Yeah, I'm pajamas. Yep. I love being lazy. A Boy Scout. Boy Scouts of America, be prepared. Guess what I got today? You probably saw it. A 17-piece wrench set. I got this for $10. $9.99. Woo! I really actually needed this, and I saw this in one of the emails that I get from my local hardware store, which is a True Value store. And yeah, so it was a regular day, you know. I go and check my emails, and it's gonna be fucking loading. So, you see, Burgers is the name of the local one that we have around here. So I'm scrolling down here, I see all these deals, I'm like, I don't need this. I get to the bottom and I'm like, ooh, 17-piece combo wrench set for $9.99. I just fucking lost my mind because it's an amazing deal. Because you can't normally get, because this is a nice set too. 16 combination wrenches, 1 adjustable wrench, drop forged carbon steel, heat treated for durability, chrome plated for rust resistance. Includes 2 bonus wrenches for caddies. 2 bonus wrench caddies for conventional tool organization. This is a nice set, you know. 2 wrench caddies. Apparently those are for wrench, and I got a combination wrench, which I have never gotten. I've never had one. It's got from metric 17 millimeters all the way down to 6. From a 1/4 inch to 11/16. So I'm very happy with this set. And it'll be used in quite a bit of my videos. And it says ideal for maintenance and assembly. And that's exactly what I'm going to be using it for. So yeah, just wanted to let you see what I got today. $10 is a fucking awesome deal. I'll see you guys later.